Catholics are also on the ground in Gaza, providing much-needed supplies and resources to help the community there. The national correspondent for the Tablet and Crux, John Lavenburg, joins us now to tell us about their efforts so far. Hi, John.
Hi, Jess.
So, John, you recently spoke with the Catholic Relief Service's point person in Gaza. Have the conditions changed there over the last year?
The conditions really haven't changed. In fact, they've gotten worse in a lot of ways. There's still severe overcrowding, and that combined with a lack of humanitarian goods that have been able to enter Gaza and a lack of food has really created a significant deterioration of health and hygiene. The CRS representative I spoke to, he described a situation where there's sewage in the streets in a lot of areas. People have contracted illnesses, skin conditions, and there's just not, a lot of resources for people to take care of themselves how they should be able to.
And on top of that, John, the winter months are obviously approaching. How much of a concern are the cooler temperatures there?
The CRS representative I spoke to, he said that cool weather and rains have already begun to set in Gaza. And one of the things he noted was that even though it's a Mediterranean climate there through the winter, it's still going to be cold. And again, it's going to be rainy and things like that. So with that, he said that people with the lack of shelter space are going to be exposed to uncomfortable conditions, and that a lot of these people, because they've been displaced multiple times now, they won't have the same resources they had, blankets, warm clothing, things like that, to keep themselves warm through the colder months.
And now with heightened tensions expanding across the Middle East, what could a broader conflict mean for Gaza?
Yeah, the CRS representative I spoke to, he said that the longer that this conflict continues, the longer that it escalates, the less chance there is that a peaceful solution will be found and a ceasefire agreement will be reached between Israel and Hamas. So that's why he said CRS is working and calling on the U.S. government to advocate for a ceasefire and to get other world governments to advocate for one as well, so that they can end the violence, help the civilians, and really work towards longer-term solutions to peace.
John Lavenburg, national correspondent for the Tablet and Crux, thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Jess.
Hi, I'm Christine Persichetti, anchor of Currents News. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button on this video. And if you want to see more content just like it, subscribe and click on the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, because we are putting your faith in the news.